Oh, stop.
That determines a good pool player and a great pool player.
What? Shut up.
What?
Whatever. Yeah, Ashley, you tell him. She's playing with a sock and a wipe. Let me guess, I have to get the yellow one, yeah.
Look at the side view, or the top view. You should cut that right in the side.
Not right.
Oh, it would take a hell of a hit. You'd have to hit it. Fucking perfect. Keep going until the ball goes off the one, if that's what you want to try. That might, I'm not gonna say it is.
That's not gonna work.
Probably not.
It would have to go backwards. There we go.
I think that's going right in the hole. Uh-oh.
Yeah, you really couldn't do much there anyway. You keep getting screwed, there's no doubt about it.
Oh, right in the hole. Yeah. That was messed up. You still got one in though.
Yeah, at least I got one in.
And it was a 9. Nice. Nice.
You get 3 in.
How did I do that?
Off or pride, sorry. Horse shit. Horse pool.
Nice.
No, it's more horse pool.
Do you see that?
Yeah, all luck.
No, I wanted to bounce it off. I wanted that ball to bounce and go in the other, like, backwards.
Yeah, sure did.
No, it did better.
Yeah, it went in, and another one went in right next to it.
That's pretty fucking sweet.
Bunch of crap. You cheat.
Whoa, nice.
See that? Oh my god! That was the coolest thing
That was
I've ever
freaking
seen in my life. That was
Nice.
the fucking best. I can't even believe that this happened.
Oh, look at, he looks all sad.
I can't believe it. That was the best ever.
That was horse shit. What the freak?
That was just unreal. I can't believe it.